To fit the DOS, we need to fit its bracket first. Put it down, turn it 90 degrees clockwise. You take the DOS, slide it over it, and click it into position. That's it. It says no oil allowed. Please do not fill any oil in the DOS. The gate motor will be rendered useless if that is done. This is the mag switch reader. It is slotted over the pin and it is kept in place just like that. Removing it, slotting it back over. This cable is then plugged into the gate motor controller card. This is a magnet, also known as the gate motor origin marker. So we have a plastic enclosure, in it goes a magnet, just slots in there, it's got a plastic cover to keep it from falling out. The orientation of the magnet needs to be correct. You will see that there is an arrow that indicates it needs to point to the gate motor. What is very important on this magnet is that the north-south of the magnet needs to be correctly fitted within the coupling, as a pushing action is needed when the gate magnet passes the mag switch reader. Here we have the gate motor. The mag switch reader is visible here. The magnet or origin marker needs to be correctly fitted onto the gate rail, which moves along with the steel sliding gate. It's fixed in one position on the gate and thus is always on the same point, starting and ending point. When the magnet is fitted incorrectly and it passes the gate motor, no clear clicking sound is heard. That is incorrect. What you want is a pushing action which clearly activates the origin marker. That clicking sound tells the gate motor in which direction the gate is running and how far it needs to run before it needs to slow down and stop. What is very important is the distance between the origin marker, the magnet, and the mag switch reader. If they are too far away, the magnet will not activate the mag switch reader. So you need to get it as close as possible, sliding past the gate motor in order for it to activate it.